Welcome to Exampro for English, the essential assessment tool for teachers. Exampro Highlights is an interactive tool with marked and annotated real student responses to English language and English literature questions. The compilations for the live series of the current specifications use the standardization scripts, which are annotated by the chief examiners. Use the exemplars with colleagues to inform training, marking and moderation. Use them throughout the GCSE course and as part of intervention sessions to support students' progress. Download our guide for suggestions about how to use them with students and as part of CPD. In English language, the exemplars cover every question in the papers, except Paper 2 Question 1, and they cover every level of response. In English literature, the exemplars cover the most popular text choices, and every level of response is shown across each section of the papers. To begin, select the paper and question you want, and then view all, or select specific responses. The responses can be printed without any annotations to facilitate activities such as ranking and discussion of first impressions before the highlights are revealed. The framework describes the mark scheme, so it reflects the requirements of each question. Each element of the framework can be switched on or off as desired. Click on a highlight to view the levelled comment. Each highlight to which the comment applies will darken at the same time. The marks and summative comment can be found at the bottom of each response and revealed when you're ready. Exampro for English, the essential assessment tool for teachers.